What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video today is all about the Ticwatch C2 Plus. Woo! There we're having it. This is the Ticwatch C2 Plus. We're gonna unbox it. So guys, there we have it. This is the Ticwatch C2. Let's unbox it and see what's packed inside. So I'm gonna keep it somewhere here and open up inside nice and slow. Woo! I've been greeted with this kind of leather, which like the Ticwatch E2 we had it, something which is so perfect. Another kind of stuff, let's see what's packed inside. We're having the Ticwatch here, something which is so great. You can see it how it looks like. Keep it aside. Right now we are having the same charging, looking like the Ticwatch E2. So the Ticwatch E2 and the Ticwatch C2 Plus have the same charger, but it might be a little bit kind of changed throughout the way they look like, but I guess it looks the same form factor. So what's packed on this kind of other box? Because you might be asking yourself what's packed here. Now what's packed here, it might be something which is so great. Let's see. So an extra band. Perfect. So this kind of packaging get an extra band, normal strap band looking like the Ticwatch E2, but it's really kind of great. I like the black one more. This one looks grayish, same as the watch. How much it looks like, it looks more casual, and I really love this one because of my works, how much I'm doing. I don't prefer this kind of casual. Past when I'm going somewhere, I'll be wearing this casual. I really love this kind of strap, to be honest. I was judging it at the first stance, but for right now I'm not judging it anymore. I'm like, man, this is dope. Can I keep this on the side? If I'm cycling or going somewhere, I may be wearing the black one, but for now let's keep this one here. You can see how much it looks at me. It looks really dope, guys, to be honest. It's really kind of awesome. You can see, guys, how much it's flexing. Really cool, really great. Now we can remove this kind of screen protector which comes with it. This is just normal one. You can peel it out and keep it aside. Let's talk about the form factor. To be honest, at the back looks the same as Ticwatch E2. You can see we're having the heart rate sensor there and the charging dock whereby it's charges. So let me show you guys how much the charging stays here. So you can see we're having the charger here. This is the charger. You can see how much it looks like, really perfect. So you keep it here. It's magnetic. You can see how much it holds your watch. It's really kind of strong and it keeps all the magnets at the steady style, which is perfect. Another kind of stuff which I like about this watch, it's having a 2-day battery life, something which is so great. Another kind of stuff, it's IP68 water and dust proof resistant. It's having a built-in GPS. So for some of you guys, if you're not aware about GPS, sometimes you just need to do your exercise and keep your records on the record. So as later on with your phone, you can synchronize if you don't have the phone on the go, if you're doing sports or anything. So it's having a built-in GPS, something which is so perfect. Something which is so great about this watch is how you can remove this kind of wristband. You can see something like this. We're having it here. This, you can just pinch it and remove your wristband just like that and replace it with another kind of wristband very quickly. It's really kind of awesome. So guys, as you can see right now, if you press this kind of button, it will give you all those kind of apps you want, just like that with the single tap. Another kind of stuff, this kind of button open up the health app, which is something which is so great. But I think you can map this kind of button. I guess you can map this kind of button. Another kind of stuff, guys, never bath with this kind of watch. Never go to the rain with this kind of watch. Because first of all, it's waterproof, right? We all know it's waterproof from this kind of side. Ticwatch recommends you guys to not take it on the water. Even if you're going outside or somewhere and it's raining, that's why you've been given the other wristband for you to interchange throughout your watch for that kind of safety. So if you want to just go outside for the rainy or you're going for swimming, make sure that your Ticwatch C2 Plus, it's having the other rubber material wristband on it. Never use the leather one because you're going to damage this kind of wristband. That's what's up. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of great and amazing review of the Ticwatch C2 Plus. It's packed with a bunch of features, and I showed you the overview of this kind of watch. To be honest, it's really kind of great. And for other kind of features, I'll be continue sharing with you guys on my Instagram account and share with you guys even on the YouTube feed section. So another kind of stuff which is so awesome, when you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. Another kind of stuff which is so perfect, it's all about, is this kind of watch for you, or is it for the sports people? Well, this kind of watch, it falls into two people in terms of category: sports people and office people. I mean, the casual people. It's really kind of awesome for this C2 Plus, how much they maintain compared to the E2 watch. E2 is perfectly made for sports people, people on the go. It's made for the E2. Last but not least, I'll be catching your smiley faces on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos guys. Peace.